Hi, my name is Chris Kiefer from Sky Media, and today I'm beginning the first episode of many to come of the Sky Media Oral Surgery branding and advertising blog that we're going to begin doing. And I just have to say right up front, this is something that I've wanted to do for a long time. It comes from a place inside of me of wanting to help, constant learning, and trying to do everything that I can to assist people in building their businesses and their practices. I started Sky Media after leaving an engineering career 4 years ago, and we have now worked with over 150 just general businesses, no focus, up until about 3 months ago, where we have now made the decision to focus exclusively on oral surgery. This is a scary decision, I would say, that kind of taking the leap into a very specific niche. But the reason that we are doing that, I think, is notable. And I have my computer here, and I have an issue with wanting things to be perfect. I like things to look good, but I'm going to just use my iPhone here and show you some results when I was on here earlier today that I think is pretty remarkable. So the reason that we are doing a YouTube channel specifically dedicated to oral surgery marketing is because when I type in oral surgery marketing, in the entire year on YouTube's got hundreds of hours of video uploaded every minute. There's 4 videos that are even remotely close to oral surgery marketing. If you just do dental marketing, there are far more results that come up. Over 180,000 results for dental marketing, but none for oral surgery marketing. So as far as why that is, I have a couple of theories myself, but the main thing that my main reason for that, in my opinion, is because inherently oral surgeons and dentists, while oral surgeons are dentists, they are very, very different in the way that they operate their business. The typical oral surgeon gets all of their patients from dental, or 95%, some studies say 95% of their patients from dentists. So do they even need marketing? That's a good question, and that's something that I hope I can answer in the upcoming episodes. But starting today, I want to take you and any oral surgeons that are watching this, any office managers, marketing directors of oral surgery practices, I want to take you on the journey that we are beginning. Like I said, we are 3 months old. I'm all about being extremely transparent. There's a number of things that are telling me that this is a bad idea, that we should not be doing this. This is a waste of time. But I really, really strongly believe in just sharing and educating you guys, and being able to give as much of the knowledge that I have to you as we continue to build our practice. Another thing I want to touch on is right now I feel like and I'll show you our new branding guide that has just been developed within the last week. We are definitely, I think the saying goes, just building the plane as we fly it. The question came up, when is the right time to start a YouTube channel? How much more do we need? How much more experience do we need before we can start talking to you guys about what we're learning? And I think a lot of people would have said we needed to wait until we had more case studies and whatnot. But the reality, and what I believe, the right time to do anything that is worthwhile is immediately. We are going to kind of be working through this. While I do have a video production background, I am actually recording this video on my iPhone today in our dining room. I hope to continue every day to make a small improvement and make these videos just a little bit more useful for you guys and better quality. But to start out, I do want to show you our new brand, which is kind of the focus of why what we are doing, and this is our brand brief. Our brand was just created by our creative director, Pat, who did a fantastic job. This is our new logo and font colors, everything. But what we are doing today is branding and advertising for oral surgeons specifically. We are not advertising for dentists. We are creating all of our content geared towards oral surgeons, and we want to help build brands for oral surgeons that ultimately help them provide a better patient experience. And the person that we are looking for, and I really, really think it's important that we get this out there, we are looking for ethical, patient-focused oral surgeons that are in pursuit of excellence in their community through educating and empowering their staff and their patients. Now, I think that that's a very important thing for me. Truthfully, the thing that I am looking for right now is an oral surgeon and a staff and a company that is not just in it because oral surgery is a reputable, profitable job to have, but truly in the work and the craft of oral surgery to make people's lives better. That's what we are committed to here at Sky, is continuing to grow, continuing to learn, and continuing to help good people do good things in the world. Everyone encounters an oral surgeon at some point in their life, when you have your wisdom teeth taken out, or when you get dental implants, and then obviously for other more serious accidents or cleft palate, cleft lip, stuff like that. So I know that we are entering into a very, very impactful world of oral surgeons, and we want to do everything that we can to make this valuable for you guys. The only other thing I want to say, as this is kind of a checkbox thing for me today, I do want to know, as these videos come out, I'll say this at the end of every episode, I am curious to know what questions you guys have regarding oral surgery marketing. Tomorrow, I plan on going into a little bit of a deeper case study on a particular client that we've been working with to try and get them onto the top of Google. So if you have any questions or things you want answered, the reason that we're doing this is to try and get you as much information as we can regarding what we do and kind of the brand process and approach that we take to helping oral surgeons dominate their vicinity. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned. In the next 30 days, I plan on posting a video every single day for that duration, at which point at the end of July I will reevaluate and see what is feasible in my day. But today is June 30th, and starting tomorrow on July 1st, that will be day one. I'm going to try and take through the following weeks to continue to just create content solely for the sake of getting over my desire for perfection. So thank you again, and please send us an email or call us. Our contact information that I can put up on the screen is sky.media. Yes, .media is a valid domain name. I'm beginning to question already if that was a bad brand decision, but the website is sky.media, and our number is 971-300-4677. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow.